This is absolutely David versus Goliath, speed versus strength. Who has the advantage here?
Well, you know, it's hard to say, Michael. This is such a contrast in styles. You have the unconventional style of Rey Mysterio against the ground and pound Muay Thai expert Rusev.
It'll be interesting to see which style proves superior here tonight.
Right.
Here we go with Rusev. And he does it one more time.
Watch it! Ooh! You know, Cole, I recently heard Rusev's social ambassador, Lana, call her man a WWE World Heavyweight Champion in waiting.
That's a lot of confidence to have, but let's let him get through Rey Mysterio before we start anointing him a future WWE World Heavyweight Champion.
Yeah, but I've seen a lot of guys come and go, Cole. This one's got the goods. I wouldn't be surprised at all if Rusev captured the WWE World Heavyweight Championship sometime in the very near future.
Does it again. Rusev making a move.
Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Oh, that's a brutal headbutt.
Here we go with Rusev. They broke the mold when they created Rusev.
Yeah, they sure did. And I'm willing to bet Rusev will break a few things along the way as well. Namely, Rey Mysterio's leg.
Well, that will certainly be one way to ground the high flyer, Rey Mysterio.
He's got him up.
Oh. A reversal by Mysterio.
That's because Mysterio didn't like where that was going. And I can't say that I blame him. He's got him up. And Rey Mysterio pouring on the aggression. He's got him up. Ooh, that did it. He's got him up. You know, Cole, I've noticed that Rusev's been using his feet a lot more in recent weeks. He's not just the high-impact superstar we've come accustomed to seeing.
You know, it's not your typical kicks you get from a high flyer like Rey Mysterio. He's always putting his feet straight through his opposition, stopping them until they can't get up.
Yeah, it's a scary thought. But now that Rusev has his feet as a weapon, he might just be the total package. He's got him up. Whoa, big body slam. He's got him up. Oh, took that all on the spine. I can assure you, Rusev's name is being tossed around the WWE locker room left and right. He is on the radar with WWE superstars.
And we're seeing why here tonight. Look at
that. That's it. He's out.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. He's hanging on for dear life.
Oh, man, this has got to hurt.
Here is your winner, Rusev.
What an impressive victory for Rusev.
Yeah, Rusev hopes to build a legacy that'll last 1,000 years, and he will build that legacy on domination. The kind of domination...
That's it! The match is over!